Hey there everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover your suspended Twitter, now Code X account. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, first of all, log into your account. So there is a tool option to log into your account. So if you don't remember your password, don't worry. If you remember your email or username, just use those to log in through the app, as the app asks for both email and username. However, if you don't remember your password or either the username, go to your browser and visit the main X login page. There you can log in directly using your Google account if it's linked. So once logged in, you will see a message saying your account is suspended. So if X has suspended your account, this means you can't like, post, or repost anything. So right below the suspension notice, you will see a link that says submit an appeal. So just tap on it. So here, just enter your account email, a contact email, and write a short explanation of why you believe your account should be reinstated. And after that, X will email you updates. Sometimes they may ask for ID verification to confirm your identity. And that's it. That's how you can log in, see your suspension, and appeal to recover your X account. So I hope this video helped you out.